Now we're going to work on hand positions holding items. This picture is inspired by The Persistence of Memory. It's a famous painting of melting clocks made in 1931 by Salvador Dali. Step 1. Draw an angled oval. Step 2. Add another. Draw like guidelines to help with finger placement. Notice that the second oval is slightly lower. Step 3. Add another slightly smaller oval right next to it. This one's a little bit higher. Step 4. Add a pinky. Step 5. Add a thumb. Step 6. Erase the guidelines and add some fingernails. Step 7. Add wrinkles at the knuckle area of each finger. Step 8. Add a circle shape in the palm area for the clock. Step 9. Draw extensions to each finger and the melting drips of the clock. You can also add a dent at the top of the clock. Step 10. Add the clock face. Shade.